So what about wildlife?
You mean to say wildlife management?
Wildlife management, habitat improvement, all that.
See, this is the area where we have a lot of wildlife. This is the brown bear rich area. You are at an altitude of 2700 meters above. This is a breeding ground for, I think, snow leopard also. So I think as such there's no wildlife management conflict in the area, but yes, for wildlife we should have a policy. The area should, there are certain compartments which are called wildlife managed compartments. I hope this working plan of this area had a specific plan for the wildlife as well, but there's a scientific management which is
Working on it.
no, there's always a scientific management plan for wildlife, so that's in place. There's, as such, I had been the DFO of this area, I didn't notice anything serious about wildlife here. If you have quoted any incidents,
I came to a study that the population of leopard is increasing at an alarming rate.
okay, that's a good sign, because in nature, nature takes care of the ecological balance. That means we have a good, prey base for them. That's only the reason that our leopard population is there. Maybe this is the area where sort of grazing is done in meadows, so there may be that may be the catch for the leopard. And plus, it's a good sign if we have good wildlife. That means ecosystem is healthy.
So recently an incident happened in Badgam area. You might be aware about that.
Yes.
Small.
That's an unfortunate incident. Such incidents happen on and off because man has transgressed the line. It's man who has transgressed the line of wildlife. So I don't think we should blame wildlife and we should blame department for such things. We should, as a sensible citizens, we should think on such lines. And wildlife is equally important for the ecological balance. Such incidents happen. Oh, it's unfortunate.
Is there any need that we should organize all the awareness camps about
Yeah, that's
wildlife
in place. Actually, forest department, wildlife department that takes these things into consideration. There are a lot of man-animal conflicts happening around in the valley in the Jammu and Kashmir. But forest department and wildlife department in collaboration, they do regular exercise of these awareness camps. This is a regular phenomenon in department. They do it. That's been taken care of. And plus, whenever we find that somebody is seriously injured, department pays huge compensation to them. But ultimately, it's tragic. It's unfortunate. We don't have control on such things. But yes, as in human beings, as in citizens of this state, as in stakeholders, we should always think for rehabilitation. We should always think of wildlife, and we should always plan our societies in areas which are not so near to forests. We should give them a breather. Animals should be also given some kind of breather, but yes, they will definitely, the cash crops, they always attract wildlife. So such incidents may take place, but yes, we can as a department work on such things.
Thank you.
Manage
Thank you
it.
so much. Thank you.